So guys, nagre-ready kami papuntang US na ngayon. Alas 12 na ng madaling araw.
Alas 12 na ba?
Yan. Di ba alas 12?
11:30 na.
11:30 na. Yan. Nagre-ready na kami mga kasama namin pupunta ng US. First time. First stopover namin.
Ay, dito pala yun.
Yan guys. First stopover.
Kaya nga.
Next time.
First time nila kami na mag-tailgate, diba? Kaya nga dapat attitude talaga may kasalanan. Alam naman yung ganun yung ang senaryo dapat.
Ay, di ka
Hindi orient. Huwag na kita niyan. Hindi kasi di ba pag
Di ka pala in-orient.
Ready, ready.
US! Walang plan.
Wala ba?
Wala pa.
Oh, ano? Okay. Whatever. Yeah.
That's West Park.
Okay.
And there's another one, Main Avenue. There's 3 actually.
We want one that's right off the exit.
Second stopover namin ni paring Mike. Nakaupo lang ako. Yan, sige guys. PP time. Yan guys, nasa USA na kami. USA. Guys, kaya gising lang ng aking mga alaga. You don't want to PP ate? Yan. Break time. Yeah.
Madilim pa.
I think go for a sandwich. They have homemade bread. They make the sandwich right in front of you.
Oh, wow.
Pick what you want on the sandwich.
Oh, like a Subway.
Yeah, almost like a Subway. Yeah, restaurant and big. Yeah.
Oh.
Then there's should be Dairy Queen very close.
Boston.
Breakfast there maybe.
30 minutes left to go.
Maybe there's a
Burger King.
Polo Park. Oh, there's Burger King. Oh my gosh.
Free mustard.
Is it open now?
Burger King. It
Yeah.
doesn't look like it.
Ah, not yet I think. Ah, there's the mall, oh. That's the outlet.
Maybe it is.
So we can wait in here. Burger King.
Yeah, you can
What do you
work,
think,
you can
guys?
go anywhere. You
Yeah.
can work in the parking lot. You can...
Good morning guys. Nandito na kami sa Albertville.
Ay, nawala si parang Mike pala.
Tapos magsha-shopping na kami. Pero breakfast muna bago mag-shopping. Inintay namin sila paring Mark. Thank you sa driver namin. Ang Bicolanang malupit. Guys,
Morning.
Juna, good morning. Nasa Amerika na kami. Mike, 8 hours nag-drive na.
May vlog pa?
Ito yung 8 hours nakaupo lang, walang ginagawa.
Natulog.
Yan guys.
Ang moral support.
Ang moral support. Yan. Ay, hindi na siya.
Nagigising lang namin.
Pugi.
Ay, hindi pa pala to.
What's it? 30 minutes?
30 minutes from
Kakain muna tayo sa Burger King.
Antok na.
Antok ka na, 8 hours drive. Ano masasabi mo sa
Okay
daan?
lang yun. Maganda.
Ano?
Yung vlog pa.
Maganda ba? Hindi ka naman kinabahan?
Hindi naman.
Ayos yung drive. Ulitin mo ba?
Oh, Albert Alex.
Alberta, pwede. Sky, what can you say about our trip? We are here in US now.
Ninong Matsa.
Ate Chloe, what can you say about our trip?
It
Good. You are in the US now.
When we was in the US, it was just like sleeping. I didn't see anything. We just did. We go to bathrooms, and we just like sleep again.
Again?
Like.
And you're going to eat for your breakfast?
Yeah. I'm well starving.
You're starving?
And then where's our hotel?
Breakfast muna tayo guys sa Burger King sa Artville, basta Albertville. you are in the US, right?
I love the US.
Yeah, love in the US. Guys, maglalakad lang kami. Yan guys, dito na kami sa USA. Yan mga kasama ko. Magwawaldas din sila ng pera. Magsa-shopping na si Madam Lisel. Chloe, it's Mommy a good driver?
Yes.
Do you know that Mommy drive 8 hours?
No, not me.
Not 6 hours maybe?
Not only me.
Yan guys. Start na mag-shopping guys. Nagbukas lang mga store. Kelly shopping. Did you start your shopping ate? Wow.
But they only have $1.
Mommy will guys, nagsha-shopping din sa Austin. Nagsha-shopping ka Austin? Where? Ay, Mommy. Video. Sa hotel na sila. Nandito na po kami sa hotel sa USA. Guys, ito yung hotel namin dito sa US. Yan, Matchas room. Tignan naman natin yung kina paring Mike na kwarto. Yan. Simple lang. Normal lang. Yan, marami po silang shopping. Nag-shopping po sila. Naman yung kwarto nila paring Mike.
I think the vlogger pa. Hindi pa lang sa vlog.
Hindi pa. Marami pa. Ito si Madam. Birthday. Yan, nag-shopping ulit.
Grabe naman siya.
Nag-goldas. Inaantok na si Madam.
Yeah, ko siya.
Guys, mag-shuttle kami. Nandito kami sa Comfort in USA. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yan, maingay sila. Oh.
Inabutaw niya kay Mike.
Shuttle, naka-shuttle kami.
Wala yung monopod.
Yan. Siyempre.
7, 8, 9.
Si Mami na lang kukuha. Paalisin mo na lang ako.
Morning guys, nandito na tayo sa Mall of America. Nakikita niyo yung sign na Mall of America? Yan na tayo guys. Ganito ang Mall of America. Yan. Yung mga kasama ko guys, excited na dito sa Mall of America. First time. Yeah, excited yung aking mga bata. Yan, excited. Guys, they are still amazed. Yeah, let's go. It's nice. Oh, you go shopping there?
Yeah,
What you?
are we going to see?
Yes, pants bag. Go. Let's go. Here. Dito kayo, dito. Come on. Excited na sila guys. Sa Mall of America. Oh, go guys. Ayan. Take a picture. Guys, good. Smile, ate. Guys, Mall of America. Ang laki, guys. IKEA.
Kasama nga siya, yakap!
Dito sa Mall of America.
Yung mga anak niyo.
Ayan.
Mga anak. Mga anak. Ang kambal.
Guys, mag-picture taking muna tayo dito. The middle, the middle. Guys, kakain muna kami. Mag-elevator kami. Dito sa Mall of America with my body mat. And body, yan guys. Mall of America. Finally, nakarating din sa Mall of America. Guys, nandito kami kumakain ngayon sa Mall of America. Ate, say hi. And it's Austin. And say hi. And hi. Hi, Jonah. Hi, Matt. Hi, Nino, Sonia. Yan, kumakain kami, guys. Ito ang aking pagkain. Kasi kumakain ng kanyang pagkain.
Subuhan mo si Austin.
So cute. Come here.
Skelly. Skelly, you want to go there? Victorial. Yan. Pabalik na kami guys.
Nandyan si Mac.
Malakas ang ulan ngayon sa Mall of America. Umulan
Victoria's
ngayon.
Secret. Wala na siya?